Welcome to this EWRB Electrical Service Technician Training course. I'm Aria, an electrical tutor working with Whitroy. In this course, I'll guide you through all the topics covered in the EWRB Electrical Service Technician Exam Teaching Guidelines. Welcome back. Today, we'll look at Topic 8.8, Cable and Cords Termination Methods. In this lesson, we'll learn how different types of electrical equipment and fittings are connected to the fixed wiring supply, and when to choose one method over another. This is an important practical topic because service technicians must always select a termination method that's safe, accessible, and suited to the job. Let's begin with Topic A, Methods of Connection to the Fixed Wiring. Topic A, Methods of Connection. Electrical equipment and fittings can be connected to the fixed wiring in several approved ways. Each method is designed for specific situations, such as permanent installation, flexibility, or easy disconnection for servicing. Let's go through each one clearly. 1. Flexible cord with plug and socket. This is the most common method for portable appliances such as heaters, drills, or computers. The flexible cord is connected to an approved plug, which fits into a matching socket outlet. It allows easy removal or replacement of the appliance. 2. Flexible cord from a ceiling rose. This method is used mainly for pendant lighting. The cord is supported by the ceiling rose and terminated internally to protect the conductors and strain relief. 3. Flexible cord or cable from a permanent connection unit. Some fixed appliances, like hot water cylinders or range hoods, are hardwired through a connection unit instead of using a plug. The cord is secured with a cord grip and connected to terminals inside the unit. 4. Flexible cord or cable using connectors in an approved box. Where appliances are fixed or semi-permanent, you can use suitable connectors inside an approved junction box, switch, or terminal unit. The box must have mechanical protection and proper strain relief. 5. Direct connection of fixed wiring to appliance terminals. Some appliances are connected directly to the fixed wiring at the appliance's terminal box, for example, built-in ovens or cooktops. In this case, the wiring must be enclosed, and the terminals must be accessible only with a tool. 6. Installation couplers, S/NZS 61535. These are plug-in socket style connectors used in fixed wiring systems. They allow quick, safe connection of pre-wired luminaires and fittings. Unlike standard plugs, they are designed for permanent installations and cannot be unplugged without a tool. Each of these methods must provide mechanical support for the cord, protection against strain, correct polarity, and access for maintenance when required. Topic B, Selecting the correct connection method. Now let's move to Topic B, Choosing the right termination method. Different situations require different connection types. Let's look at a few examples. 1. Portability of the appliance. If the appliance is portable, like a toaster or vacuum cleaner, it must use a flexible cord with a plug-in socket so it can be unplugged easily for safety or servicing. 2. Effects of moisture or vibration. In areas exposed to moisture, such as bathrooms or outdoor locations, use permanent connection units or installation couplers rated for the environment, never open plug connections. In vibrating equipment like motors, flexible cables with strain relief are essential to prevent conductor fatigue. 3. Special tariff circuits. Some appliances, such as hot water cylinders or night store heaters, are on controlled load tariffs. These are typically hardwired through a fixed connection unit so the supply authority can control them. 4. Loading involved. Large current loads, like ovens, welders, or air conditioners, are usually connected directly to the terminal box or through a heavy-duty connector in an approved enclosure. 5. Multi-phase requirements. Three-phase appliances, such as industrial motors, must use suitable multi-phase plugs or fixed connection units. The terminations must be arranged to maintain correct phase sequence and earth continuity. In every case, the goal is to provide a safe, durable, and serviceable connection that meets both the wiring rules and the appliance's installation instructions. Summary. Let's summarize topic 8.8, cable and cords termination methods. We learned that electrical equipment can be connected to the fixed supply by plug-in socket, ceiling rose, permanent connection unit, connector in an approved box, direct terminal connection, or installation coupler complying with S/NZS 61535, and we select the connection method based on portability, exposure to moisture or vibration, special tariff or load conditions, and whether the circuit is single-phase or multi-phase. So, in short, always choose the connection method that suits the environment, the load, and the appliance. That concludes topic 8.8, cable and cords termination methods. In our next lesson, we'll move on to topic 8.9, systems of supply, where we'll explore how electricity is generated and distributed across New Zealand before it reaches your installation.